Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with HubSpot affiliate program, complete guide step by step clearly. Scroll to the bottom of the homepage. Look for the partners link in the footer menu. Click on the partners link to navigate to the partner programs. Once on the partners page, locate the section for the affiliate program. Click on the Learn More button to access detailed information about the affiliate program. Read through the program benefits and requirements to ensure it fits your needs. When ready, look for the Join Now or Apply Now button. Click on this button to begin the application process. You will be directed to a login page. If you already have a HubSpot account, enter your credentials and log in. If you do not have an account, select the option to create a new account. Fill in the required information to create your HubSpot account. After creating your account, you will need to complete the affiliate application form. Provide the requested details, including your website information and marketing strategy. Review the terms and conditions of the affiliate program carefully. Once you are satisfied, submit your application. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your application status. If approved, follow the instructions provided in the email to access your affiliate dashboard. From the dashboard, you can find unique affiliate links and promotional materials. Start promoting HubSpot using your affiliate links. Monitor your performance and earnings through the affiliate dashboard. Remember to comply with HubSpot's guidelines as you promote. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.